the 2006 Volkswagen New Beetle. This two-door, four-passenger convertible just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Volkswagen made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear cup holders, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.